Before humanity can step onto Mars, it must survive here, in places where even life on Earth retreats, cold kills in minutes. Silence presses like a vacuum. This isn't survival, this is preparation for oblivion. Antarctica's dry valleys are one of the closest places on Earth that resemble the surface of Mars. Here, the air is so dry it steals every trace of moisture from your skin, UV rays burn through the atmosphere even on a cloudy day, and the cold takes your breath away in a single second. This is an environment that exposes human limits in ways no laboratory on Earth can ever replicate. Space suits are built to withstand the vacuum of space. But not the brutal, sideways winds of Antarctica. Here, every critical system is pushed to its limits: life support, thermal insulation, even basic mobility. How much movement does an astronaut lose at -80 degrees? How long can the suit's batteries hold their heat? How many minutes can a human endure outside before the body begins to fail? Antarctica answers all of these questions, without mercy. But the real battle here isn't against the cold, it's against yourself. In a whiteout, the horizon disappears, direction fades, and you begin to feel as if you're drifting through emptiness. The body slows down, conserving every drop of energy. Every step becomes a fight to stay upright, and the mind faces the same pressure it will confront on future space missions: isolation, silence, and the weight of a world reduced to a single, confined space. Astronauts live inside isolation modules designed to mirror future bases on the Moon and Mars. Food is limited. Water is rationed, every watt of energy must be accounted for. Communication with the outside world lags, just like it will on real missions millions of kilometers away, and in this confinement, real human emotions begin to surface: exhaustion, irritation, loneliness, but also a powerful sense of unity, the kind of teamwork that can decide life or death on another world. Long-term isolation is one of the greatest challenges of space exploration, and Antarctica recreates it flawlessly. When you're hundreds of kilometers from the nearest human, when the wind screams without stopping, when the darkness lasts for months, you begin to taste the true loneliness of space. Why do we push ourselves this far? Because future missions to the Moon and Mars will demand more than technology alone. They will require people who can survive in places that feel like the edge of existence. Antarctica becomes the classroom where humanity learns its greatest lesson: how to live beyond the Earth. Astronauts don't train here because it's easy, they train here because beyond this frozen horizon, other worlds are waiting for us, and one day, humanity will step onto those worlds, thanks to the explorers who dared to challenge the cold today.